Hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm going to take some time and bring you all along and show you all it's not always work here at the hilltop. So I wanted to show you some of the clips of family fun and some of our other hobbies that we're into. So stick around because I think you all will enjoy these videos. A lot of this you all have never seen before. So thanks for watching guys, and enjoy.
Hey, YouTube!
The girls are taking a break and jumping in the spring water there. They say it's cold, and I believe them. Tell you what, it hasn't rained well in about 2 weeks, and this thing...
Dad, feel how cold.
It's still pouring out there good.
I know it's cold.
Feel how cold. It's rainwater on it. Rainwater.
Yeah, well, I mean, you look like a fish.
Woohoo!
I just lost it.
Go girls, go!
Oh my god.
Adley, who's your friend? Ori? He's a good donkey, huh? That was Daddy's donkey when I was a little baby. You know that?
No.
Yep, he's an old boy. Good job. You gonna give her another trot? You are doing awesome. You got 2 followers, huh? Yeah, do it.
Ad wants to too.
Go ahead, Ad. There you go. Good job. pretty hard,
All right, Addie's a winner.
You girls having fun?
Yeah. I want to summit.
All right, remember top to bottom.
Can I summit?
Oh, you can't be scared of it. Oh, good job. Let me tighten your drag. Reel it in. Oh, that's a nice one. Woo! Oh, he did. He broke your line.
Oh no.
He got my bait. That was a big one on me.
Yeah, but he broke my line.
Woo!
Oh.
After a long morning bass fishing, I think she was done worn out. Seconds. Come here, Atlas.
Wow, that's cool. This is starting to make my eyes hurt. Can I shut my eyes?
Yeah. Go, buddy. Go, boy. There you go. Oh, shoot. All right, well, I thank y'all for watching today's video. I appreciate you sticking around until the end. If you like these videos, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button for many more videos like this to come. All right, until next time, y'all take care.